Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 14S-DQ. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're watching this, chances are the screen on your HP 14S-DQ is cracked and you can't see anything properly. This can happen due to accidental drops or impacts, and if left unrepaired, it could lead to further damage to the internal components or even affect your ability to use the laptop entirely. So, let's get started on the fix. For this repair, you'll need a new screen replacement for the HP 14S-DQ, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some adhesive tape. First, ensure your laptop is turned off and unplugged. Lay it face down on a soft surface to prevent any scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located around the edges of the back panel. Be sure to keep them in a safe place. Next, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid breaking any clips. Once the back panel is off, you'll need to locate the screen connector. It's usually situated near the hinge. Carefully disconnect the cable, ensuring you don't pull on any surrounding components. Now, remove the cracked screen. Look for the screws securing the screen to the frame. There are typically 4 on each side. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, and gently lift the screen away from the frame. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new screen and align it with the frame. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the screen cable to the motherboard, making sure it's firmly in place. Before closing the back panel, it's wise to test the new screen. Turn on your laptop and confirm everything is working correctly. If all looks good, proceed to replace the back panel. Align it carefully and press down to snap it back into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring everything is tightly secured. Finally, turn your device back on to ensure everything is functioning as it should. To prevent this issue from happening again, consider using a screen protector and always handle your device with care. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.